Welcome to the new era of changing location on Android and iOS. Today I'm about to introduce a very unique method of spoofing your iOS and Android location without computer, which is quite safe for games like Pokemon Go, Monster Hunter Now and social apps as well. As we are about to introduce the 10 or share iAnyGo innovative Bluetooth connection feature, I'm going to show you how it makes location spoofing on Android and iOS easier than ever before. Also, you won't need to install cracked version of Pokemon to avoid that fail to detect location 12 error. So without wasting any time, let's find out how you can change location on Android and iOS seamlessly in iOS 18 and Android 14 version without computer. So basically the 10 or share iAnyGo has introduced a new feature which I'm seeing for the first time in 2025, which is quite useful. I'm going to show you that in a while. But first, go to the Google Play Store on your Android device and simply download the 10 or share iAnyGo application, which I have already downloaded. And once you download it, just simply open it. Now this is the new interface of iAnyGo in 2025. The feature which I am talking about is Bluetooth connection, which is definitely going to shock you in a while. One more thing, if you want to change Android location in Pokemon Go, then you will be required to download the Pokemon Go from here. This is only for Android. I mean, if you are changing location on Pokemon Go on iOS device, then you don't have to download anything. It's just for the Android. So just wait for a while. Once the downloading is done, install the game, and now the real game begins. It's very simple. I mean, if you want to jump or teleport to another location to change your real location, you have got an option for that. Just click on that feature and you can see on the screen, and then click where you want to be. It's basically teleport or change location method which we have seen before, and that's it. As you can see, we have successfully changed our location by using the teleport mode, or you can say change location mode on the iAnyGo application. As usual, another feature we have got single sport mode. If you want to travel somewhere virtually or wanted to trick your friends or making some real movements, you can use this feature which will not just change Pokemon Go location, but at this time if you send your live location on WhatsApp, Snapchat or any other social application, it will look like the same that you are traveling or running towards other location. You can also adjust your speed as well. More than that, we have a multi-sport mode which we have already seen before. You can select many locations where you want to travel, and then after reaching to one point, it will start moving towards second, third and fourth location automatically. All you have to select locations and then iAnyGo will do the rest for you. We also have got a joystick mode which we all know quite useful for games like Pokemon Go and Monster Hunter. Now you can select your direction along with the speed, and iAnyGo will take you there without moving and leaving your comfort zone. And as usual, you can check your history of location, favorite location if you have saved some, and the search bar can be used as well if you want to jump to a specific location. Now let's talk about the real innovation which I am talking about from the beginning of the video. Let's find out how you can change your location on iOS device with its Bluetooth new feature. Now you don't need to install anything on your iOS device. Carefully watch this video and all you need to just click on that Bluetooth on your Android iAnyGo application. Once you click on that, continue it, and now open your iOS device, turn on Bluetooth connection. I'm going to show you step-by-step feature, so make sure if you are changing location on iOS device, you have to follow this method. So once you open Bluetooth connection on your iOS device, you will see your Android phone there. Just click on that, pair both devices, and you are done. So basically you have to connect your iOS device to the Android through Bluetooth connection. Now it's quite simple. If you change location on Android from iAnyGo application, it will automatically change location on iOS device which is connected to your Android device. As you can see, as I mentioned before, I'm seeing this feature for the first time, which is quite useful and quite safe as well. So now let's test it. I'm using single sport mode on Android phone, and on my iOS device location has changed. Now let's give it a try. I'm using a single sport mode on Android phone, and as you can see on the iOS device location has changed. The character is moving, and this method is quite safe as we are not using any application on iOS device, so the system won't detect anything on the background. Now I'm going to use multi-sport mode on iAnyGo application, and as you can see, it's happening on the iOS device. It's not just changing location on Pokemon Go on iOS device, but if you send your live location on WhatsApp, location will be changed and it will be showing that location which we have selected on the Android iAnyGo application. Now let me show you that as well, as currently we are in Bradford, but now I'm teleporting to Scotland, and that's it. You can see the iPhone location has completely changed with just a single click. Same goes for the single spot mode. I'm selecting another location, sitting up, and the speed you can see, and on Find My iPhone, location is moving continuously with selected speed. Now this feature on 10 or Share iGo is avoiding all the challenges which we were facing before. It's quite safe to spoof your location now and doesn't require your computer as well. So that's it. I will definitely recommend iAnyGo location changer, as the download link is mentioned down below in the description. In my opinion, this Bluetooth connection feature is killing the rest of the location changer, and I will definitely recommend 10 or Share iAnyGo in 2025. Let me know if you guys have got any question regarding this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.